Guys, Angelo here, and I told you remember the last vlog that I did. I said I'm gonna go to the park. I couldn't because it was raining, and I only had to vlog a little bit. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna probably make a lot of videos. It's gonna be a hurricane storm. It's gonna be this year to November, so prepare and close the door, close the windows, and everything. So make sure you protect yourself. So make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.